What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we're talking about Dogecoin here again today. And as you can see, what we are doing with Dogecoin, we are continuing to go up here with Dogecoin. We had 34 cents earlier, and then now we dropped all the way back down here to 32 cents, but we are going back up as we speak. And honestly, Dogecoin is going to continue to rise here. And look, as we can see, we are setting another trend line here. But remember, Dogecoin is really volatile, so it can break trend lines at any moment. But as you can see, we are actually going up on here as we speak. And I definitely believe that Dogecoin will be one of those that just continues to go up in price and continues to rocket. I like to look at the short-term charts because then you can tell what we're going to do for the rest of the day. And honestly, this is what we are projected to do for the rest of the day for right now, just to continue to go up here. And then around here is around the end of the day, and that'll be when we can probably see 34 cents by the end of the day, honestly, maybe 33 cents. But yeah, we're definitely going to be around this area up here by the end of the day. So we're definitely going to continue to do good things here with Doge. But the main thing we have to talk about here with Doge is all the support that we've been getting. People have been asking, why did Doge just jump like that? Doge jumped like that because of all of the media attention. All of this media attention that we've been getting with Doge has been crazy. We are about to break out with Doge. We are breaking out as we speak here with Doge, and Doge is continuing to be the topic of discussion. Like, if you go over here to Google and type in Dogecoin, the first thing that you see is a bunch of Dogecoin news. Like, Dogecoin is like the top for news right now. Everybody is talking about Dogecoin. Look at this. Investor Play says, is Dogecoin dead? Elon Musk and Mark Cuban say so much no. And as you know with Dogecoin, the meme is so much wow, much wow. But yeah, this is so much no now. But yeah, when momentum is the only factor driving valuation, celebrity backing matters more than you might think. And this is definitely really good that they actually mentioned this with Dogecoin. That's because this is what a lot of people need to know before investing in Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the most hot when everyone is talking about it, when it is in everyone's mouth, everyone's making videos about it, everybody is buying it, everybody is checking out the news articles, everybody is just talking about it. And that is when Dogecoin is the hottest, is when everyone has something to say about it. That's why leading up to Saturday Night Live, May 8th, that's why we were about to go up huge in here. And as you can see, we are breaking now. We are breaking out, and we predicted this. We knew we would go above this trend line at this point, and we will continue to rise here because this is what we are doing with Doge. We continue to set these trends, and we continue to ride them. We've seen a trend that was going down in the previous video, and I pretty much try to make a video every time there's a new trend line going on in Doge. That's why I make so many Doge videos, because my previous video was this trend line going down here, and I had to show that so then people know if you want to buy in, your best point would be to buy in here around 32 cents. But now we are going back up on this trend line, so that is what we are doing now. And right now I'm not really swing trading or day trading Doge. I'm just gonna hold for the long term. Like, every now and then I may sell out at the peak if I see a huge jump that came out of nowhere, because usually a huge jump that comes out of nowhere is followed by a huge dip that comes out of somewhere. So yeah, that's definitely what you can see when we have huge jumps in Doge. But it's always good to have huge jumps in Doge, because then when we consolidate right back around here, this is where we would have been even if we didn't have that jump, because we were already going on this pace. We are already going on this path. So really, that jump was a gift. Like, that jump was a bunch of people putting their money in all at once, and then the people who seen the peak, they sold out, and it was a gift for those people. But we came right back to this to these levels here. So what can you take from that? What you can take from that is that, honestly, swing trading and day trading, it's only worth it if it's really if it's like your income, like you're swing trading and day trading, so you can keep bringing in money and then keep also, putting money back into Doge, into whatever you're putting it into. So it's kind of like an income generator. That's why I do it every now and then. So every now and then I'll just swing trade and end up making like a little $500 on a little day trade, and then I'll just withdraw that. But that's not what I'm doing right now. I'm holding Doge for the long term because I know we're going to continue to grow here, and we're continuing to go up here on this trend line. So yeah, I know we're going to continue to do good things here with Doge, and I know we're going to continue to just destroy it with Doge. Look at that, 33 cents. We were just now hitting 33 cents there. So that's really good with Doge. Let's go over here and look at our market cap for Doge, because we're actually doing really good with Doge when it comes to the market cap. Right over here, we're at $42.5 billion in market cap, 5.1 billion in 24-hour trading volume. And mind you, it was 4 billion yesterday in trading volume. So you definitely see a lot more trading volume happening right now. and Doge is continuing to rise as we speak. This is crazy. But yeah, Dogecoin is not dead, so I don't know what they're talking about here, but we are definitely going to continue to go up. The world's $40 billion prank. Yeah, I guess you can call it a prank. I guess you can call it a joke. But Dogecoin is none of that. Dogecoin is for real. Watch when Tesla starts accepting Dogecoin. Watch when Amazon starts accepting Dogecoin. Watch when Walmart starts accepting Dogecoin. This is going to happen everywhere. Everywhere. Everybody is about to start accepting crypto as a normal payment. Crypto is about to be so big right now, and that's why I'm trying to get so many people to get in, so then you can actually create some generational wealth here. This is what we are doing here with crypto. This is what I'm doing here, and I plan to continue to hold this Doge. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is what I am doing personally. So I'm just documenting what I'm doing right now. And right now, what I'm doing is continuing to hold the line. We know we're going to rise here with Doge. Doge is continuing to go up. But yeah, we're continuing to do good things here with Doge. And we are on a really good uptrend right now. So even this is just a small term chart. Let's go over to a more bigger chart. You can see that we are on an uptrend and that we are continuing to rise here. So we are definitely going to continue to rise either way. So Dogecoin cannot be stopped. Dogecoin cannot be stopped at all. We are actually like the best crypto out there. Yeah, we definitely cannot be stopped. Let's continue to rise this to see how far up and when. So yeah, 44 cents, 45 cents. I would say that would be by like May 8th. So yeah, 45 cents to 60 cents, 40 cents to 60 cents. It's all the same. It's all huge growth. It's all potential right there, growth potential. But yeah, Dogecoin is going to the moon, no lie. But yeah, Dogecoin is not dead. Let's go over to Twitter. Twitter is always my best friend when it comes to Dogecoin. Everybody knows this. Dogecoin is the number one crypto when it comes to Twitter and social media and anything really. But yeah, Dogecoin is crazy right now. I'm trying to see some good growth here with Dogecoin. Let's continue to look over here. So yeah, Dogecoin is number one. Dogecoin will always be number one. And Dogecoin is definitely my favorite crypto here. Even like just looking up Dogecoin on Twitter, we just see all these supporters here with Dogecoin. You don't really see this with any other cryptos, which is why Dogecoin is the people's coin. Like we have everything here with Dogecoin. We have Funny Mike. We have everybody here with Dogecoin. We have a huge Dogecoin community. So we have a lot of money just flowing through Dogecoin in general now. But yeah, all we need to do is see, more brands coming on with Dogecoin. We need to see more Dogecoin promotion. Another thing to think about is Google Trends, because that is our best friend when it comes to Dogecoin. We need to be trending with Dogecoin. Everything needs to be trending when it comes to Dogecoin in order for Dogecoin to do good. So if you find that Dogecoin hasn't been really trending in the media for like a few days, it definitely expect a dip. But right now, we do not have any dips right now because we are going crazy right here. And Dogecoin is just going to continue to rise. But the only reason why you see it shows a dip right here is because it hasn't showed for this past hour. It's still 5:29 and it's only recording for 5:27 right there. So it can't record right there. But as you can see, we are continuing to rise here with Dogecoin in the media. Dogecoin is going to continue to be big. It's not as big as it was back here right before 420, but we are actually building up that hype. Like we're building that hype right back up. So that is something that you need to think about here with Dogecoin. Look at this. We are building that hype back up. And really, we had a lot of hype earlier, and that's when we had little jump. But we are going to continue to rise here. This is so crazy looking at Dogecoin's chart for the search algorithm, because like you can see like right around here, this is where we spiked, but that was right around the 28th, and that was when we were at a higher price. So it definitely makes you look at Dogecoin differently. It makes you think. So if it really follows the media that much, then you should definitely follow the media. Yeah, this is just a little update on what we are doing here at Doge. I'm trying to record every single trend line that happens here at Doge. So every time we have a new trend line, I'm actually trying to jot that down on here, like a notepad or something. But I'm just trying to make sure I have everything, documented here in Doge, just knowing exactly where we're going short term and long term. We just now had our long term chart, and now we are setting our short term growth here. As we can see, our trend line, we're going to continue to go up here, and as like every time we meet the trend line right here, we're always going to continue to break it. And if we do go down, we could actually set a new trend line downwards just slightly to land right below here. We could possibly land below here if we break this trend line and go down and don't have enough buying pressure to continue to rise. And that is about to happen. So we're about to see what happens there. We either go up or we go down, but either way, it's going to be steady growth. It'll be a steady downward growth right here to about 32.30, 32 cents roughly. And then it'll be upwards growth about here, about 33.40, 33.50. It'll be around there until tomorrow. That is what we're looking at. And like I said, possibly even 34 cents by tomorrow if we have huge growth overnight. But yeah, this is just a little update on what we're doing here with Dogecoin. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull, and also crypto.com. You get free $25 of Crow Coin if you sign up there. And I will be back with another video. Peace.